ผมไม่ใช่คนรวยแต่พร้อมช่วยส่งเธอไปไปกลางแต่พอแล้วก็ไม่รู้ว่าจะเบลเด็กสลามเมกเดียวรับตังในขณะที่นอนหลับผมไม่
Perfect. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here we go. Okay. Look like this is the barrier right now. So we are looking at a resistance at around 41.20 right now. Definitely have a resistance here. All right, here we go. So resistance at 41.20. Let's see if it can break above that. This is we have been on an uptrend all day, and I still don't see a sign where we want to go down yet. So we're just gonna be biased toward the long position right now. So if you like my channel, please click like and subscribe, and I'll be here every day 9 p.m. Thailand time and 9 a.m. New York time. Right. ใครเข้ามาแล้วฝากกดไลค์กด subscribe หน่อยฮะเอ้ยกดไลค์รัวๆแล้วก็กดแชร์ให้เพื่อนๆหน่อยนะ เหมือนเดิมนะวันนี้เดี๋ยวผมจะมาไลฟ์เป็นภาษาอังกฤษนะฮะใครที่อยากเรียนรู้เป็นภาษาอังกฤษหรือว่าอยากถามเป็นภาษาไทยสามารถถามได้นะฮะสามารถถามได้เรื่อยๆเลยนี่ตอนนี้ผมมองว่าราคามันอยู่ในจุดตัดสินใจแล้วนะถ้ามันเบรกเหนือ4120ขึ้นนะครับถ้าเกิดว่ามันไม่สามารถเบรกเหนือ4120และมันทิ้งตัวลงมาก็ร่วงนะครับเพราะฉะนั้นณตอนนี้เรามาดูกันนะครับผมมองนะถ้าให้ผมมองนะผมมองว่าลงนะณจุดนี้นะผมมองว่าลงนะครับ so right now I am well it has been biased to the long side all day but that is very likely that there's going to be a huge play coming in at around 9 or 10 o'clock so I'm thinking right now that if the price cannot break above 31.20 we could have a very good short selling right here so right now is a pretty good price for us to be doing short selling สนใจค่ะรบกวนทักไลน์หน่อยแอดไปแล้วครับน้องอีฟพี่ถามไปแล้วนะพี่ทักไปแล้วนะคะน้องอีฟoops okay so now here's the thing about it if the price cannot break above 41.20 then it is very likely that it will be coming down Now, if the price did break above 41.20, this is what I'd like to see first. So break, stay, and then keep on going. So that is what I like to see happening. Right now, it's very in a choppy market, in a sideways market. The indicator tell us that it still hasn't made a decision yet. So we'll wait for it to make a decision, then we'll follow for it. เดี๋ยวเรารอกันนะฮะใครเข้ามาแล้วฝากกดไลค์กดแชร์หน่อยนะครับสำหรับใครที่เพิ่งเข้ามานะฮะนี่ผมก็เพิ่งเข้ามาดูออเดอร์เลยนะครับวันนี้ผมไม่ได้เทรดทั้งวันเลยนะใช้เวลาชีวิตอยู่กับครอบครัวอยู่กับพ่อนะครับพ่อเพิ่งกลับมาจากแวนคูเวอร์นะฮะก็เลยได้ออกไปตีกอล์ฟได้ไปอะไรไปตีกอล์ฟไปตัดผม มาด้วยนะฮะโอเคไมค์โอเคไมค์โอ้ right แป๊บหนึ่งนะโอเคไมค์โอเคละ เมื่อกี้นี้ไมค์มันห่างตัวไปนิดนึงนะฮะสวัสดีค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ work โอเครอเลยครับตอนนี้ รอเลยนะครับถ้าราคาเนี่ยมันสามารถทิ้งตัวลงมาต่ำกว่า4110ได้นี่คือทิ้งตัวแรงเลยนะสวัสดีค่ะคุณสุนิตรานะคะ แล้วก็หลายๆคนที่อยู่ในคอลนี้ด้วยสวัสดีแม่หมออารมณ์ดีนะฮะโอ้โหสวัสดีคุณสวยชิวๆโอ้แต่ละชื่อ so I'm gonna be more concentrated on oh 1 second let me just pop that upมา It doesn't seem like it can go back above the 741.18, so really likely that it's gonna come down. สวัสดีทุกคนด้วยนะที่เพิ่งเข้ามานะครับ so if you like my channel please click like subscribe I will do another channel in on TikTok if you guys like it. It will be a short lessons along with the YouTube short as well. Haha. Okay. Work. You can scan this QR code to join my group, join my group chat. Hey Kashiki, how you doing? It's about time we started. We're about to get started. Actually, I'm gonna do oh, you know what? Never mind. I was about to open some music, but I think I'd rather not. Because if I do open some music, I think there will be some licensing issue. So I don't want to get into that. it's hard enough as it is to get myself promoted in here. So we're biased toward the long side. Have you been trading today? Oh, today was like brutal. It's like down from 55. Now it's already up like what, 6,000 points? Jesus. Seems like, 5 to 8,000 points would be like a normal day nowadays. So, sometimes I even think that if I just take a guess, like flip a coin, head or tails, and then just leave it. Like let it run. It's either gonna go up or go down, and it's just like that the whole day. Like today. Today it'll start at like what, 67 something, 70. Yeah, 70, and then it already went up like almost 5,000 points. So I was just like, why? Yeah, like I already here. I'll go to the intraday. Look at this. This is the intraday. It leaves 1, 2 bottoming tail in this daily chart. So today I expected it to go up. However, I didn't expect it to go up right away. So now we are kind of in this limbo where we would go up above to reach that 41.76, or will it going back down because there's not much momentum. It's still on the sideways track. And this is the conundrum that I've been facing for today. Don't know which way to go. Like, to be honest, I am biased towards it going to the long side. However, you have to take a look at this as well, that the long side might have an end at like 40, maximum 4,200. And it already reached that 4,200. So I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen today. Any ideas? I would love any input right now. I have no idea what's gonna happen. Early on in the day, yeah, I was thinking that it would go up. I didn't think that 55 would be the low of the day and that it would shoot up this much, which means that it could potentially go up to 4,200 again this afternoon. I mean tonight นะครับก็จะมาบอกด้วยนะครับว่าตอนเนี้ยผมไม่มั่นใจนะว่ามันจะเป็นไงเพราะว่าก่อนหน้านี้นี่คือใน time frame day เดี๋ยวผมให้ดูแล้วกันนะปุ๊บใน time frame day เนี่ยมันมี1 2วันนี้ดีดขึ้นเป็นเรื่องปกติแต่พอมันดีดขึ้นมาถึงจุดโซนที่แบบหัวเลี้ยวหัวต่อเนี่ยจะเบรกขึ้นจาก20หรือเปล่าอันเนี้ยผมไม่รู้เลยเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยเดี๋ยวเรารอดูกันนะฮะว่ามันจะเบรกลงมาหรือมันจะเบรกขึ้นไป เพราะจริงๆตัวนี้ก็คือตัวจุดวัดเลยแหละถ้ามันเบรกลงมันจะเป็น feeling นี้เลยนะทุกคนเดี๋ยวผมรอยาวๆเลยตอนเนี้ยนี่ เนี่ยผมมองว่าถ้ามันจะเบรกลงนะมันจะเป็นฟิลนี้นี่ถ้ามันจะเบรกลงนะถ้ามันจะเบรกลงมันจะเป็นฟิลสีฟ้านี่ปึ๊บแต่ถ้าเกิดมันเบรกขึ้นมันก็จะเป็นฟิลสีเหลืองซึ่งถามว่าตอนนี้เราทำอะไรนั่งทับมือครับ so that's my scenario for tonight. It's either gonna break above 41.20 or it's gonna break down below that's 41.10. And then we'll wait for the retest, and then we'll be selling it down, short selling it. So right now, just let's relax. Let's talk a few. Let's just talk. There we go. That's the buy. That's the sell. Whichever way it goes, that's where we will be taking it. Sounds good, Kasky? I don't think that's gonna be in much action until like 9:30 at least. So for those daredevil, you can sell at like 41.19, 41.18 here. Try to score maybe like 200-300 points down here, maybe. I'm not that much of a daredevil though. I know it's in range. I don't think that this range is a good range for me to play. I'll wait for the breakout and then I'll wait for the retest. Yeah, any input on that? Like personally, that's my best guess for the day. I mean, you could potentially sell it at like 41.18 right there before, but it's still very, very risky. If you're selling it at 41.18, I think you should have at least like 41.23, 24, maybe like 500 to 600 point of stop loss. Come on ตอนนี้คือแบบเราอยู่กันแบบชิวๆเลยนะทุกคนตอนนี้คือเราอยู่กันแบบชิวๆเลยนะไม่รู้ว่าอะไรจะเกิดขึ้นนะครับ Oh, by the way, did you register for the thing yet? I sent you the ticket, right? Did you register yet? I'm thinking of putting more panels in. This back panel, I'm thinking of like putting more back panels in, especially on this side too. Then it'll be like full on black screen and then it will look so good. Oh, not yet? Okay. That's why I have the missing two. Okay, perfect. Yeah, whenever you have time. Preferably by the end of this week. Because like we are trying to finalize the numbers. By the way, it's on the 17th of December. All right. I'm thinking of like scalping right now. Just like sell high, buy low. At the moment, I'm really, that would be cool. Yeah, I'm really tempted to actually buy low, sell high here. Buy low, sell high, and just keep going. Oh, wait. Take a look at this. It starts to become blue now. Start to become blue now. Let's see the bounce. If this break, then we could see a potential for like a big downward move here. Like it could, like that could potentially be like a big downward move here if the price break below 41.10. If the price break below 41.10, then it's gonna go all the way down. We might not even have a pullback because day like today, it has been grinding up for it for quite a while. Like it doesn't show a sign that it has a weakness in the downside at all. However, right now it seems like there seems to be a lot of breaking coming in soon here. Here we go, 41.10. Don't know if that's gonna break or not. Whichever way it broke, we are gonna follow. Actually, there are two, like, there's reason to play along and reason to play short. Reason to play short is that there's like short selling and a sell signal in this bigger time frame, this 1 hour time frame, which should really push the momentum to be downward. because of these two. Now, on a smaller time frame, however, it looks like it started to change from yellow to blue, which means very likely that this 4110 gonna stand. So, with all due respect, everything is not aligned. When everything is not aligned, we are gonna sit on our hands. That's what we're gonna do. So let's just wait. Be honest, I'm tempted to selling at like 4018, 4118 back there. Like I'm really, really tempted to do that. But I didn't. And wait for the confirmation. The confirmation will be coming soon, I'm sure. So no need trying to rush it. It will bounce back to that 4115. And if it seems like there's a lot of bear momentum coming in, we can sell it right there at 4115. No harm, son. And if the price break down all the way down to like 4100 and bouncing up cannot pass 4115, I'm selling it. Right now, the bias is towards selling right now. I just need to change from this candlestick changing from yellow to, blue to yellow or even red. Mama, come on, come on. I'm thinking of short selling right now. Like, I'm really thinking of short selling right now. Just want to see it break. I know. um, so there was a comment saying that is it like if you just keep on buy and sell, will you just making money because like you're hedging both position. I'm gonna tell you the truth that even though you're closing one, you actually open the risk to another position. So when you're hedging between two position, buy and sell, what you're essentially doing is just like you throwing your money like water, just throwing it out our way. The reason is because when you're hedging, you already close that position. However, you are doing it so that you thought that you're gonna change it later or fix it somehow. It's not. You can't. You can't fix anything. Once the equity drawdown, the only thing you can do is to play some more and hopefully it work out your way. That's the truth behind hedging. Ha ha ha. All right. That's a long signal. Coming back up to 4110. Good. I'm thinking of this 4109 here. Really want to play long for it. อุ๊บ เสียงยังดังโอเคเริ่มทิ้งตัวแล้วนะตอนนี้เริ่มชัดเจนนะว่ามันอยากลงนะครับตอนนี้มันเริ่มชัดเจนนะว่ามันอยากลงนะเมื่อเครื่องร้อนก็ต้องสลับไปสลับมาอย่างนี้นะ มันจะมีทางไหนไหมที่ทำให้เครื่องไม่ร้อนเนี่ยไลฟ์ทีไรนี่คือเครื่องร้อนทุกทีผมจะย้ายไปไลฟ์ที่ในต่อสตูดิโอแล้วนะโอ้ว้าวโอเค wow came down hard now that's gonna be a bounce 4100 Jesus okay it's starting to become yellow again so I'll wait for the pullback to this 4110 and then we'll take our first order the scenario yellow is likely to not happening anymore so here's the pullback so if we can whoa I'm thinking I'm thinking of shorting pretty soon because like right now this is what's happening everything here happened like this so it's gonna go back up retest 4110 4112 somewhere around there and then we're gonna be short selling it unless of course it drop from here then that means that we get nothing come on here it is 4110 I'm waiting for a sign of exhaustion maybe like leaving topping tail or it could drop and becoming an engulfing candle
Whew, it just keep on going up and up. If it go up to that 41.15 again, I'm thinking of short selling it. Oh, man. Still waiting. I'm still waiting. I'll wait for at least up to this 41.20. And let it prove me wrong that it wants to come down or not. Here we go. Let's go, sunburn. It went up to 41.15 already. I'll be done. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I actually thought that was a breakout. It's not. It's a fake out. Which means that if it's a fake out like this, if it break above 41.20, it usually come and go. ดี๋ยวมานะครับ I'll be right back. Give me back in 5. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Don't go anywhere. โอเคมาขออภัย wow. Okay, so right now it still haven't made a decision yet. After it dropped, I actually thought that it's gonna come down already. It's not. So we're still dancing. We're still dancing right now. We're still dancing. I'm gonna wait for it broke this 41.20 first. Then I'll be thinking of short selling it. The reason is because if that is such a low volume that it has this faked out, then the likelihood that we can fake out in the top side will be the same นะฮะสวัสดีหลายๆคนที่เพิ่งเข้ามาด้วยนะครับนะฮะวับวับวับ so I'm not doing anything right now, Kazuki. I'm pretty much like just sit on my hand because you don't know what to do here. Like I mean nobody know what to do here. Was making a prediction that if it break down, which it does, it will come up to do this retest at around 41.15 and then come down. Not like this currently. That's what's happening. If you like danger, you could actually sell it right here at 41.15 and just, rooting for it. You would definitely get a better price than me. Yeah, me neither. Yeah. I I highly doubt that we should be taking big order today. So today I think I'm gonna have a stop loss of 500 point, TP of like 1,000 probably, and that's gonna be pretty much it. I'll wait for the 41.20. I just want to see. I just want to see once it's actually reach 41.20, will it bounce back again? Doot, 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 doot. Okay, so while we're waiting, here's some key success for you to, use in your, I want to say portfolio, but, oh, okay, wait. I want to see some action right here. Bounce to 41.16, 41.17 now. Okay. Okay, it doesn't. It's still in the channel. It's still in the channel. It doesn't break one way or the other. When it doesn't break like this is the most difficult one. Because when it doesn't break, then I don't know which way it will go. But for my experience, for my analysis, when it jump up like this, it usually doesn't fall down. If it jump up like this, usually it doesn't fall down. So, hmm. Not too sure what to do here right now. Like I can see reason to do both. Oh, here we go, 4110. It looks like it's breaking. Looks like it's breaking. Follow the signal from the higher time frame, like the 1 hour time frame. Suck it back up. I was thinking like, oh, finally we're gonna see some action and then flow all the way down. Nope, just suck it back up. What to do here? This is 41.14, 41.13, 41.12 right now. Don't know if I should be risking this. This is such a... I'll wait 14 more minutes. I'm gonna wait for the change of the hour. I'm gonna wait for the change of the hour. I don't think it's wise to take anything right now. It's still in this indecision mode. From my experience though, this looks like it can go up some more. I kind of want to buy right here. kind of want to. The reason is because like this thing is blue. $13 more minutes. Let's see. Let's see if it can break down here. I would love in the next 13 minutes for it to choose its direction finally. If not, for the next hour, I'm gonna play a mean reversal. I'm definitely gonna do mean reversal on the next one. Which should occur in about 12 minutes exactly. Boom, 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 boom. Do, 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 do. I'm really tempted to buy right here. Really tempted. Just because like I know that's gonna be the price that it cannot break now at this 41.10. Still wait for that 41.20. I mean, this looks good so far, but there's no short signal, and I still need this to break below 41.10. If not, just go ahead, break above 41.20, and then we're gonna play to the long side. But don't do this where we are not deciding on anything. This is a day where I would lose money when it was choppy if I play earlier. Not now though. Okay, so wait for it. We still wait for it for another at least 10 minutes or so. Right now you could actually go up, go down. I'm thinking of like doing some more of this wallpaper. I'm surprised it doesn't stick. Weird. Very sticky. Very sticky. Oh my god. If this sticky, why doesn't it stick? I know everybody's waiting right now. Everybody's waiting for me to give a signal whether it's gonna go up or go down. However, sitting on the hand is probably the best thing to do as of the moment because everything went exactly as we predicted. However, we did not predict that it's gonna went above 41.15, which means we need to wait for some more confirmation that it wants to drop hard here. So. For 41.12. Don't know if I should sell it right now. I'll wait for the change of the hour. Wait for 9 more minutes. And then I'll be selling. Unless, of course, it show me a clear sign that it dropped right away. Then I'll be follow sell on that one. It went back up. It just went back up. Jesus. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Like clearly it is on a sideways trend. Clearly. I'm still thinking that it could go up to this 41.18, 41.19. Maybe break a little bit of 41.20 and then drop hard. So for mean reversal, we want to get the best price possible, especially at those 0 to 5 level. 0 or 5, sorry, that's 0 to 5. 0 or 5 levels. So right now we are at the 41.15. However, it's been breaking so many times. So I'm going to wait for 41.20. I'm going to wait for 41.20. And if it show me sign of weaknesses, I am going to be selling into the strength. Okay. 41.16 now. Let's go to 41.20. Come on. Let's go. 41.20. If it reach 41.20 in the next 7 minutes and it leave a topping tail, meaning that it leave the tail to the upside, we are likely to gonna see a reversal coming down here. So let's wait for it. Come on. Come on. Oh, if you can, please like, subscribe for me. Click follow. Click the bell so you don't miss any of my trades. I will be here 9 p.m. Thailand time or 9 a.m. New York time. Okay? 9 p.m. Thailand time or 9 a.m. New York time. I'm on 41.17, 41.18 now. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I still haven't had any order though. I still haven't had any order yet. I'm gonna wait as long as it takes. for the trade setup that I feel comfortable playing. So possibly in the next 5 to 10 minutes, I am gonna have an order. But for now, ooh, look at that. Break to that 41.20. Jesus. All right. It broke now, 41.20. Let's see. Let's see it can go further than this 41.20. Let's see how far it can go. Because I'm thinking that if it cannot break too hard to the upside, I think we're going to see the weaknesses that it can come down. Especially now that it's already reaching like 7,000 points from the low. Like this would mark it. If it goes up for like 500 or 600 more, then it will mark the 7,000 points from the low. Oh. I'm biased towards selling right now. Just because this bull move right here, this is what I'm been waiting for. This bull move right here, if it's true, then it will carry 1, 2, 3 and just keep going. Okay? If this is a true breakout, then it's just gonna keep on going. Right now it looks really good. The next candle, the next 10-minute candles going to decide. 10 a.m., 10 p.m. candles. So in 3 minutes, we're gonna see which way we should play here. So wait for the next 2 minutes. This looks really good. Now that the clear direction has been established, let's see if this momentum actually carry on forward. And I mean, yeah, for those of you who actually believe in this, that we're gonna go up, this is actually blue, so you could actually buy at the bottom here at 41.10. Now you will have like 1,500 points, of course. but I rather that you are taking it easy and let's just follow the game with a nice risk rewards. Okay, so 2 more minutes, and then we will see if the price change to the upside or will it want to come down. Right now, if it stay like this, I'm gonna wait for the next hourly candle. If the next hourly candle has a little bit of pullbacks, I am willing to actually follow the trend. Let's go, Pabi. One more minute. Oh, this looks like it's breaking out. This looks like it's breaking out right now. Boom. Jesus. Okay, forget selling. I don't think it's coming down anytime soon. This is a true breakout. When I say true breakout, it's because of this. This candle right here, that changes everything. We are gonna go for long right now. We're gonna go for long, but not entering now. Not yet. We're gonna wait for the pullback, and then we're gonna play a long position because this move right here went up 1,000, even almost 2,000 points without any pullback. So it has to have a pullback, and then we're gonna play here. Nice and easy. This is really good. Here we go. This is 10 a.m. I mean 10 p.m. Really depending on which time zone you are. 10 p.m. if you on Thailand time, 10 a.m. if you on the New York time. Looks like it's not stopping. Yeah, look like it's not stopping. We're gonna wait for the pullback. That will be pullbacks. And I think we could even get at like 41, near 41.20. Then we're gonna be buying it back. So, here we go. Pulling back to 41.20, and then we're gonna be playing a buy order. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Jeez, I can't believe it came up to like 41.20 right now. That's just insane.ต้องสลับจอไปสลับจอมานะฮะ กลัวว่าเดี๋ยวเบื่อเอาไม่ใช่โอ้ยร้อนจีเครื่องอะไรมันร้อนได้ขนาดนี้นะเดี๋ยวรอให้มันเย็นก่อนแล้วกันร้อนจีเดี๋ยวต้องหาทางที่แบบว่าไลฟ์ในแค่คอมพิวเตอร์อย่างเดียวแล้วไลฟ์ติ๊กต็อกคือแบบเครื่องร้อนจัดมากตอนนี้เดี๋ยวรอดูนะถ้าเกิดมันลงมาถึง4120เนี่ยคือไปแน่นอนนะไม่เกิน10 นาทีเดี๋ยวคอยดูเลย ตอนนี้คือราคามันอยากไปมากนะฮะดูทรงแล้วไม่กลับแล้วนะทุกคนราคาตอนนี้คือไม่กลับแล้วนะคืออยากไปมากๆแล้วนะครับเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยเดี๋ยวรอมันให้ลงมาสักสวยๆที่4120 4116อะไรประมาณนี้นะฮะแล้วเดี๋ยวเราจะเข้าออเดอร์กันเข้าไปพร้อมๆกับทุกคนนี่แหละSo I'm waiting right now at this 41.20. I think it is very likely that we're gonna be breaking the high here. Very likely that we're gonna be breaking the high. So I'm gonna wait for the pullback to that 41.20. Wait for the exhaustion, and then we're gonna be buying it up. We're waiting. We're waiting. Here we go. Come on. Here's the pullback. Pullback's coming in. Bột จะโหดก็โหดเลยนะ 3,000 จุดภายในไม่เกิน1 ชั่วโมงเนี่ยโอ้ 1 2 3 4มาแล้วนะฮะเดี๋ยวรอดูนะ so I think it's coming in soon here. I'm gonna break down to this 4120, then we're gonna be buying it up, but don't put a buy limit on it. I just need to confirm it with the price action first.สวัสดีทุกคนในต่อด้วยนะฮะ มีพี่บังเบียร์มะปางเกาฟี่เอลวาบอสซี่นะฮะไอซ์so I'm waiting right now, waiting for the retest here at this 4120. So if anybody want to follow, you're welcome to. Here we go, 4120. This is it. If there's like a long signal or anything of the sort, I am going to be on it. Come on. Give me something. Give me something. Give me something. I just need something for confirmation. Oh, อย่าบอกนะว่าไปเลยเนี่ย I was waiting for this buy right here. I was waiting for the buy right here, but it seems like that might be the place to get in. I'm trying to wait for a little bit more. I want to see more coming down to that level a little bit more. Coming down to like 4120, 4119, somewhere around there. Then I can actually buy it up without worry. Especially if I seeing this pattern right here below 4120, that's good. Right now, I would say the momentum is a little too much. Man. Come on, come on, come on. I'm thinking of buying right now, but then my risk is going to be at least 500 points. Right below the low. If I want to take the risk like way under the low, at maybe like 4110, then that would be like 1500 point of risk. That's too much. So right now I want to wait finally for at least 4120. สวัสดีหลายๆคนที่เพิ่งเข้ามาเลยนะครับก็ได้มาฟังภาคภาษาอังกฤษนะเดี๋ยวรอดูนะฮะว่ามันลงมาเนี่ย4120อ่ะได้หรือเปล่าถ้าเกิดไม่ได้ก็คือเราตกรถนะฮะstill waiting I know I'm still waiting You know, like you could get it here, but that's still too risky for me. So I want to get it at 41.20 exactly, or even like plus or minus 100 point. That's fine, but not this. This is just like it's just gonna keep on going without coming back to visit at all.สวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับสวัสดีเลยคนที่เข้ามาด้วยนะครับฝากกดไลค์กดแชร์ด้วยนะครับ so I know this is very boring but I still not completely sure unless it actually come down to touches my scenario. Come on. I'm waiting for this 41.20 to drop down here. Come on. The question becomes that what do you think this candle will become? Will it become red or will it become green? That's the question you want to ask. Cannot even break below 23. Jesus. There we go. I'm waiting for a long signal right now. If there's a long signal, we'll enter right here. Buy position. I'm just not too convinced right now. ขอบคุณครับขอบคุณครับจัดบอส Right now, I'm waiting for this to drop to 41.20. Right now. Come on. Drop it. Drop it. Because it's already chosen the way that it wants to go up, then the likelihood that it will come down today is pretty much done. It's all the can't believe it's gonna go on without us. I try to be patient right now to wait for this 41.20, but personally, I think that it's gonna just keep on breaking out. We might see 41.50 today if this keeps up. If this keeps up, then we might be seeing 41.50 today. Jesus. Okay, just keep going up. It just keeps going up without any plan. Okay, fine. What to do? What to do? I want to buy right here at 41.23. This would be a really nice win here. I just keep going up already. Jesus, I missed the boat. Well, the thing is, if we were to buy right here, the risk will be down here, which is kind of acceptable. However, if you want to be safe, then it has to be all the way down here, which is not the case. Jesus. ไม่เป็นไรไม่เป็นไร Can't believe it's like suck it all the way back up here, like 4120, almost reaching it, and then now it's like 1,000 point within what, 10 minutes. I was reluctant to say to buy right here, but it looks to me like it's good. Did you actually get it, Kazuki? Anybody get it? Get the buy position? I'm waiting too long. I'm waiting too long. It didn't come down. I waited too long. It didn't come down. มีใครได้ออเดอร์บายไหมฮะเพราะว่าผมไม่ได้ใส่นะผมไม่ได้ใส่เลยนะ You still waiting, Kazuki? I think that the best opportunity already been missed. It's right here. I was reluctant. I got it at 40. Oh, nice! You got it at 41.23. Nice. That's 1,000 point. Awesome. Oh, by the way, can you post it on the Discord group? I was too slow. I was trying to confirm at this 4120. It doesn't come down, and you really need to get it at this 4123. I didn't think that it's gonna go up this fast, to be honest. However, right now, if it keep going up like this, it's just gonna keep on going. Okay. Okay, moment of silence for those of you who actually missed the boat like me. Ah, my God. You know, I'm thinking of doing a short selling right here, but no, I'm not. I don't want to go against the trend again. Let it ride. Let it just keep doing its thing. I don't think today it's gonna come down anytime soon. Already went up what, like 32, 34, 35. So that's roughly 8,000 point today. Today is 8,000 point day. Hi. Didn't get in. Ah. Come on. I don't want to say to buy it right here, 41.30. That's ridiculous. I don't want to sell it either. Like the best entry today would be this at what Kazuki just had is 41.23 right here, and it already went up like almost 1,000 points, so that's already the target. Right now, I don't know. If it keep going up like this, I'd have no entry at all today. Damn. Like it was just right. It was just right up and up and up and up. I wonder if there's any news today. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, there's no news. There's nothing today. Oh my god. So Trump gonna be speaking at midnight. I don't know what's that about, but there's likelihood that the news gonna send the gold skyrocketed again. So, I really, really want to just play something right now, but I don't have any setup in place to play. Like the best setup was right here, and it's already been played. I don't want to wait until 1 more hour either. So we have 40 more minutes and uh Jesus. Not my best day. Not my best day today. Okay, we might be playing a reversal. If it go up no more than 41.30, we might be able to play short selling. Or not. Jesus is gone. Okay. Come on. If it's gonna be a sideway up, this is gonna be one of those days where I don't trade. Will we get in if it come down to 41.20? Depends. If it came down hard, like break down, boom, boom, boom right here, and break down below 41.20, I would not get in. If, however, it kind of sideways down and slowly kind of touching that 41.20 and have a pin bar having a reversal, then yeah, I would. Because that will be a very, very nice entry right here if it can come down to that 41.20. I'm actually thinking of entering right now as well. I'm actually thinking of entering buy position right now as well. Because the bull momentum today has been crazy. I really want this to drop right here. I want this to drop to this 41.20 and then I'm gonna be buying. I'll wait for the signal as well, but I'll be buying. I'm gonna tell the Discord group. Here we go. Here we go. It finally dropped. If it keep on dropping like this, it will finally reach that 41.20 and we'll get the price that we wanted. Definitely for sure. Here we go. Come on. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. So right here is where we'll be entering after it touches and leave a bottoming tail. Right here. Whoa, 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 whoa. 1 second. I want this order, but it need to rest here. I'll wait 2 more minutes to get the confirmation at this 41.20. If it break below, I'm out. I don't want it. If it break below here. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, this is it. This is good. I'm entering. I'm buying right now. Buying right now. 41.20. I'm buying right now. 41.20. This is, oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus. You got in? Anybody getting in? 41.20. Target 41.30. Stop loss at 41.15. Tell me if you got in. I already got in. Already got in. Already got in. Stop loss 41.15. Target at 41.30. Here we go. Oh, don't tell me. Come on, come on. Here's the long position. Don't do this to me. Jesus. That's too close for comfort. That's way too close for comfort. Okay, I'm already got in. Okay, guys, I already got in from here. Let's see if this works out. Let's see if it works out. If not, I'm gonna be losing 500 points. Oh, don't do this. I actually thought that was a pretty good one. I thought that was a pretty good entry. Apparently not. Nope. Nope. Hit stop loss. Done. Okay. Hitting my stop loss. I'm done. I'm hitting my stop loss for the day. Oh, come on. I mean, this one was good. That one, not so much. Oh, don't tell me it's gonna bounce up from here. Don't tell me it's gonna bounce up from here. I'm gonna wait. Let's see. Hmm. I'm thinking of re-entering. I'm thinking of re-entering. Let's wait for it. I'm thinking of. Never mind. I'm not re-entering. I was rethinking of re-entering right here, but nope. Now that it fall down below, then I'm done. Ah, Jesus. I mean it's already extended so much right now at like 8,000 point, and it bound to fall, like bound to pull back right here, but I'm still have this bias that it should still have a bull momentum to go up some more. Still not letting up. No, I doubt it. I doubt that we're gonna go past this. All the signs are there that it wants to go up now. Okay, everyone. I already hit my stop loss right here, but I'm thinking of entering it again as soon as I see more confirmation. Right now, I still don't see enough confirmation for me to enter another long position. I want more confirmation that I want to either a rejection or a break above. That's the two confirmation that I would need. Okay. It's about to break. It's about to break. It's still not follow. This is a tough one. Break above 41.20 now. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking, that with all this long signal right here, and I don't think that it, okay, right here, I'll re-enter my trade. I will re-enter my trade right at here. 41.20, same thing. Stop loss 500 points, same thing. Okay, I'm re-entering. I'm re-entering at 41.20. If this hit another SL, I'm done for the day. If this hit another SL, I'm done for the day. It really want me to be done for the day. Jesus, come on. I just entered. I thought it gonna broke. Still holding. Awesome. But always have a stop loss, okay? If it break down below 41.15 again, I don't think we should be holding. Done. 2 SL. Okay, apparently this is not the long position that it's gonna do a reversal down. So right now I did re-enter because I see this spike and I thought that it's gonna go up, and that's why I re-entered at 41.20. However, right now that it fall down and break down to this 41.10, I'm pretty much done here. I don't have any more position or any way to play this market today. So it's a losing day today. 500 points that I actually thought that it's gonna go, to the opposite side. But that's just the way it goes. I mean, I can't predict that. I know that it went up break, then you know should have went up some more, and it's not. So uh, look at that, like one green candle and then one big red candle follow. That's something that I don't see happens very much unless it's something that you know ready to break down in the next hour. I mean, yeah, I don't know what to say now. Jesus. Okay. Yeah, now I'm thinking that it might finally, because of this break right here, it might finally take, you know, take a turn for the position to the downside. Because before it was looking like this. That's why it is likely that, you know, it gonna go up. However, with this break right here, we have to accept the fact that it's not gonna come down anymore. I mean, it's not gonna go up anymore. So we're gonna hit our stop losses, and then we'll be done for the day. Dang. I'm actually tempted to play reversal before, because like it seems like it's such a big gap down. However, when I see this little curve right here, I was making a decision that, hey, following the trend here, buying right here, this looks good, and then bam, just slap me right across the face. Oh God. Okay, that's fine. Well, this is the reason why I having my stop loss and target profit at like 500,000. So if I losing to 500 points with one win, I will be, you know, going up to the break even. So I don't mind if I'm losing two today. I just need to make sure that the next one I'm keeping up with the game, and then eventually I will know that the math will work itself out. Wow, it really is coming down. Okay, so if you want to play some more, actually hit my max loss for the day because I hit two, but the way to play here is to make it reach back up to that 4120 and then sell it down. So I'm gonna take this buy off, take this off. Gonna wait for this 4120 to selling it down. For those of you who still play, I already have two positions in and I am losing my marbles. So I'm pretty much done for today. Gonna wait for this retest at 4120. If it's just gonna keep on coming down, then you know, good luck to anybody who actually holding the sell position, because I am definitely not one of them. I mean, to hold position at like 4130, to hold it to like here would be like 2,000 points already. That's huge. I'm still thinking that it could go up, but go up enough that it's not gonna pass that 4120 for sure. Here we go. There will be resistance at around like 4115. So if it does go up to 4115 and it cannot go up some more, then it is likely that it will come down. Very nice. Awesome. Yeah, just hit 2 SL in a row. Was thinking that it has a really high potential that it's gonna go up as well, and it just doesn't. Actually, the one that will be best to play would be right here at 4123. That would be a really nice login of like 600-700 points. However, this one is not a very good one. I mean, it's a good entry. It's just a not very nice play because once it's about to break, it's not. It's breaking down below, and now it seems like it's just gonna keep on coming down below. If the if oh wow, look at that. That's the breakdown. Okay, let's see how it react at that 4100 because with this drop right here, it should not drop to 4100 and then like drop below that as much because that's too demand before this 8 or 9 p.m. here. So it should not go past 4100. However, right now I have no idea which way it will go now. Like I have no idea. So if you are interested in just playing, make sure you reduce your lot size to an acceptable losses if it doesn't go the way you thought it would. Actually thinking that it's gonna come down to 4100 and then bounce back up. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. I was thinking that it's gonna go down to that 4100 for sure though. Will it go up today? I think it will go up to this 4118 and that's it. Like gonna be dancing around 4120. It's not going to go up above or down below very much here. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure that we will be end up with 4120 today. Just because the market looks like it aimed toward that. Either 4120 or this 4100. If it dropped down a lot more from here. Oh, okay. If it reads 4100, I'm thinking of buying. But I'm not entering any more position in today. I'm just saying in the next 12 minutes before it changes the hour, if the price reached 4100 and kind of stay there, next hour should be a bounce up at least up to that 4120. That's my prediction for today. So gonna leave you with this. If it doesn't bounce up anytime soon, if it's just gonna keep on coming down like this, like so, it's gonna send a lot of people into panic mode. Then once it down to 4100 kind of settle, then it will slowly grinding back up. The line here is this 4100 level keys here. Boom, right here. If it cannot break 4100, it is really likely that we're gonna see a bounce up. However, I'm not gonna play anymore traded today because I already hit my max loss of the 2 trades, and this is basically a mean reversal play as well, which is not the retest. The retest is already done right here. So the mean reversal play is something that I am not comfortable playing with at all. So today would mark the end of my live trade session. You know, I'm thinking of like, it's gonna come down to this 4100 and then it'll go all the way back up right now. Jeez. Potentially you could sell right here at 4110. Okay, 4108. Yeah, it's gonna keep on coming down now. Let's go to at least 4100 right now. And once it reached that 4100, I want to see the bounce. Okay. It's stay at that 4110 right now. Come on, 8 more minutes. If 8 more minutes and it changes to 40. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's see that 4100. If it go down to 4100 and here we go. It's about to go down to 4100. If it cannot break 4100, we will be buying it up. Come on, come on, come on. Drop. Here's the drop. Here's the drop too. Ooh! Bam! That's huge. That's a huge drop. Okay, forget what I said that it's gonna bounce now. Okay, forget what I said that it's gonna bounce now. It's not gonna bounce. With that drop, that's why I never do pending order. Here's the thing. A lot of people will say that, hey, why don't we do like a buy and sell limit order? Right now, I really recommend that you don't do that because a lot of times this kind of thing happens. Like the sellers or buyers will just come out of nowhere, and then we'll have this happening. To be honest, I am kind of thought I'm scalping a little bit here, but it's not. It doesn't turn out to be a scalping. I was selling before. This is just my scalping. Okay, it's just keep on coming down now. I was thinking of like, oh, maybe I'll get like 500 points until I reach that 4100. But once it actually reached 4100, it actually broke down hard, and that's why I am going to carry on this trade right here that I am selling. But I realized that I haven't told anybody in this live trade session, so I'm not gonna count this. But oh wow, it's going back up really fast. It's going back up really fast. I'm still holding though, because if it cannot reach 4100, it's gonna go down hard here, like really hard here. And in about 5 minutes, it's gonna turn around. In about 5 minutes, it's gonna change to the next hourly candle. If the next hourly candle can break below 4100 here, especially if it can break below 4090, it's gonna go all the way down. So let's wait for it. Four more minutes. I think we're gonna see a drop here down below 4090. I think we're gonna see a drop down below 4090 right now. Yep, we are. We definitely are. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna come down now. It's gonna come down now. If it broke below 4090, it's gonna come all the way down. Right here. That's the point here. Like this candle is signaling that it tried to go up, cannot go up, even touches the 4100. So if it come down and break below 4091, 4090, it definitely gonna come all the way down now. Oof. And this all happened before it turning the 11 p.m. mark. Jesus. All right, let's see how far it go. Let's see how far it can go. I want to see it. I want to see it drop to below 90, and we're gonna be trailing this. We'll be trailing this. By the way, this is my order, but I wouldn't count into my statistic. Boom. Here's my order. Here's my stop loss. Stop loss is always gonna keep moving. Always keep moving your stop loss when this happens, okay? Because you never know. It could just like bouncing up and then hit that at any moment. So you want to be careful not to get hit with like a huge loss. Here we go. It broke down. It's gonna broke down below now. If it broke down below 4090, then it's gonna go all the way down now. Let's go. Let's go. If the price drop below 4090, next minute we'll be deciding everything. In the next minutes. One more minute. I'm putting my stop loss at 4100 right now. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Let's go. Okay, right here, if it did not go in the next minute, I'm closing it. If the price doesn't come down in the next 1 minute, I'm closing this. I'm closing this trade. Yeah, it looks like it's leaving the bottoming tail now. So I think the 11-hour candle is gonna be green at this moment. Ooh. All right. If we come down, let's see it. Let's see it come down. Let's see it come down. Boom. Let's see it come down way below 40.90 right now. Oh. Right now it's actually stocking at this 40.95. However, if it can came down below 40.95, maybe down to that 40.90, it definitely gonna go all the way down here. Yeah, right now it broke. It broke hard right now. It broke hard. Continuing short, meaning that it can continue down some more. It's gonna continue down some more. So the stop loss right now, we put at 4100 before. Now it's gonna be at 40.96 right here. Right now it's gonna be at 40.96, and let's perfect swing. I know, yeah. Let's wait for it to come down all the way down. I don't know how long this will go either. Like with this momentum right here, it could just keep on coming down. There's no limit in this. Right now I'm just doing a trailing stop. But if it come back above like 40.92, I don't think it is worth it to actually took it. Nope, 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 nope. Can it go back up above 40.90? Yes, no, yes. It's about to break above 40.90 right now. If it broke above 40.90 right now, we're done here. If it broke above 40.90 right now, we're done here. Yeah, we're done here. We're done here. We're done here. Right now it just broke above 40.90. Oh, come on. Okay, we're done here. We're done with this trade. This is by far the most breakout trade I ever traded here. From 4100 all the way down. 2000 points. Jesus. Okay. That's it. Didn't tell you guys fast enough. Just because I see the momentum it dropped, so I just play it. I actually thought that was going to be a bounce right here, but it's not. So, yeah, I actually thought it will bounce at that 4100, but it's not. That's why I didn't tell you to place the pending order or anything. I just want to see the reaction. And when it broke down, that's when you have to do this. You have to do this trade where you are you put your stop loss, keep trailing it. I mean, technically, you should be trailing it at around 95, 96 and see if it can come down below 90 again. But I'm pretty much done for the day, guys. I had been losing the whole day. Look at this. Look at this, guys. I have been losing the whole day. Then one win and bam. So, you know, been losing the whole day and then one win. And then that just took care of everything. So I'll see you next time. I'm sorry if you haven't got it on this short trade. However, I'm not gonna put this down because it's too quick. It's too quick. But I was here's the thing. If you have this tool, the TTS, it will show you that once the blue turn to yellow, it is very likely that we will see a reversal down, and it could be just a sideways, so you never know. However, because the drop is happening from way up here and it already dropped like 3,000 points, the likelihood that it gonna bounce here is kind of 50-50. So I'm actually risking at that 4100. However, once I actually enter at 4107, I put my stop loss right away once it actually broke down, and that's how I play my trade today. That was too quick for a lot of people to get in time in my live trading. However, if you want to learn my technique, I am teaching it in my private class. You could direct message me or search Pro Trader on WAP, WHOP. It will, yeah, just search Pro Trader and you will see it on any channel. Thank you all for joining in today. I am pretty much a little bit of profit right after one big win. I mean, I have so many small losses today, but with the one big win, I am actually getting back up to, plus $500 for the day. So, thank you guys for joining. And if you want to see my live trading every day, just be sure to hit like, subscribe, and make sure to hit follow. Hit that bell, and I will see you Monday to Thursday every 9 p.m. Thailand time or 9 a.m. New York time. 9 a.m. New York time or 9 p.m. Thailand time. Okay? Have a good one. See you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Yeah, that was a nice win.